How to increase penis size without surgery. Hello and welcome to Prostate Patrol, where we'll explore how to increase penis size without surgery. Find valuable information and effective techniques here. Let's get started. 1. Kegel and pelvic floor exercises. Kegel and pelvic floor exercises are designed to strengthen the muscles that support the pelvic organs, including the penis. These exercises can improve blood circulation in the pelvic region, which in turn may contribute to stronger and longer-lasting erections. Additionally, by strengthening these muscles, you may experience better control over ejaculation, which can boost confidence in sexual intimacy. 2. Stretching and massaging. Penis stretching and massaging techniques may involve gentle stretching in different directions or using oils or creams to massage the area. These methods are believed to promote penile tissue growth by stimulating blood circulation and cellular regeneration. However, it's important to be cautious and not apply too much pressure to avoid injuries to the delicate penile tissues. 3. Use of vacuum pumps. Vacuum pumps are devices that work by creating a vacuum around the penis, causing blood to flow into the area and result in a temporary erection. Some users have reported an increase in penis size after regularly using these pumps over an extended period. However, these increases are usually temporary and may disappear shortly after discontinuing the device's use. Additionally, excessive or incorrect use of the vacuum pump can lead to injuries to the penile tissues. 4. Supplements and herbs. There are numerous supplements and herbs marketed as natural remedies to increase penis size. Some of these products claim to increase blood flow to the penis, improve libido, or stimulate penile tissue growth. However, most lack solid scientific evidence to support these claims, and some may have unwanted side effects or interact with other medications. It's important to thoroughly research and consult with a healthcare professional before trying any supplement or herb to increase penis size. 5. Traction technologies. Traction technologies, such as penis extension devices, are designed to apply gradual and constant force on the penis, with the goal of elongating tissues and increasing length. These devices typically require regular use over an extended period to achieve significant results. Some studies have suggested they may be effective in increasing penis length in some men, although results may vary, and long-term benefits are not fully established. However, it's essential to use these devices with caution and follow the manufacturer's instructions to avoid injuries to the penis. If you want more tips on how to improve your male health, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share it with others who may benefit. Together, we can continue exploring natural ways to promote male well-being. See you in the next video.